Hi, this is Tim, and today's mission is to flight test Betaflight 4.4 Release Candidate 5 GPS Rescue Mode. So the plan is to fly out across this nice flat field to about 150 meters and then flip it into GPS rescue mode, and hopefully it should fly back to the landing pad and land itself. The new feature in Betaflight 4.4 is the ability to land gently and automatically disarm. So 140 meters, 150 meters, GPS rescue in 3, 2, 1, ascending, reorienting to face the home position, home arrow at the bottom pointing straight up. The wind's taking it off to the left. It's quite windy conditions, 20-mile-an-hour winds I think, but it's adjusting. We have 12 satellites logged, which is about what you want. You can see us, a group of 3 people in the field ahead, and the landing pad just to the left of us there. And we're 50 meters from home now. Altitude 38 meters, descending slowly. Meters from home, 20 meters altitude, 15, 12, coming into land now, and a perfect landing. Awesome.